Welcome back to Safe Kids. My name is OHEMAA. Today, let's talk about boundaries. Can you spell boundaries? Let's practice together. B-O-U-N-D-A-R-I-E-S. Boundaries. Boundaries are like invincible lines that help us feel comfortable and safe. They show others how we want to be treated and how we should treat others. Always respect others' boundaries. What does boundary mean? Boundary means your personal space. It's like having an imaginary bubble around us. We can decide who gets close to us and when. No one is allowed to cross your boundary. Boundary means saying no is okay. If someone tries to touch you in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable, it's important to say no and tell the trusted adult. You have the right to protect your body. Boundary also means ask for permission. Before touching or hugging someone, asking for their permission is polite. This shows respect for their boundaries. Always respect others' boundaries and always demand that others respect your boundaries too. Do you know how to say no when someone crosses your boundary? 1. You can say, I don't tell people that. 2. I don't want to be tickled. Can we take a walk instead? 3. Leave me alone. I will tell.
4. I'm not allowed to do that. And 5. No. Remember to talk to trusted adults if someone crosses your boundary. If someone makes you feel uncomfortable or crosses your boundary, it's important to tell a trusted adult right away. They are there to help and keep you safe. Do you know any trusted adults? For me, my trusted adult is my mother. She listens to me and always believes me when I tell her anything. Oops, time for a nap. Come back again soon, friend. Bye.